So from the video title, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know basically. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational and kinds of contents like this. Now, this is what works out for me. If I want to do this for any reasons, what I'm going to simply do, you can look at this chart right here, right? So if you want to do that, this is what works for me, or like this is what works for me. I'm going to right click my mouse. It's either I delete the chart, I'm not going to delete it. What I'm going to do basically now, I'm going to just click on this, right? Once I clicked on it, I'm going to move this chart to somewhere that is not so like really needed at the moment, right? You can see this is where the chart is. So I don't know what you guys think. What do you think about this video? Let me know below in the comment section. I'm going to say, oh, very nice.